Because Mondays are already bad enough, here's a beater box video. That's not gonna improve your Monday, whatever.
Hey! Yeah!
If you just took the whitest dance in the world, which is this, and slowed it down and just made the circumference of the circle super large. You just see someone doing that in a dance club, in a discotheque. I'm old, I don't know what those things are. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on social media stuff on your screen right now. Below that is my website, and you can find all the shoes from this box there for sale at 6 o'clock p.m. today, as well as all of the shoes from the live unboxing that we did last Thursday? Yeah, got a double update today. Hi, pals. Good old box from Sole Supremacy. This box is actually $850 plus 40 bucks to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of 890 bucks. Sole Supremacy prices these boxes under market. You're supposed to flip them, you're supposed to make money and put some time and effort into cleaning them and listing them and blah, 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 blah. Here's the counter. Its name is clearance. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. Then we're gonna break down the entire box at the end of the video to show you how much it's worth versus how much I paid, because we wanna make some money on these boxes. Before we get into the video, go down below. There's a link to an Instagram giveaway with some SB friends that I have. There's dust all over this room. And it ends on the 14th, so giving a pair of Team Edition SBs and a whole bunch of really good Canadian snacks. So that'll be really cool. Remember, link is in the description below. It's SB Freak and a bunch of other cool people. So check that out. Let's get this box open. Ooh, burrito. That's cool. Hey, no loose shoes. That's always a good thing. Nike box. Ugh. First up, we have a size 10 Air More Money Quick Strike. I remember these. These came out in like 2017 or something. This one's the British pound, right? I think this is the British pound one. I could be, oh, yep, there you go. So it's got the UK flag on the back. I don't know if it's the British flag or the UK flag. I'm American and I'm stupid. So my apologies to my friends across the pond. But it's the Air More Money Quick Strike. It says get paper on the tongue. This tongue thing is weird because you can take it off. It actually comes with extra tongues. So these are not dead stock, but holy cow, are they close. Suede on the upper, on the tongue. Really nice aglets. Pretty slick colorway. Kind of reminds me of a Jordan 9 and an up-tempo a little bit. But yeah, I don't know how much these are going for. I know they released an entire pack with a bunch of different kind of currencies. So there you go, size 10, right? Air More Money Quick Strike. And remember, all these shoes are gonna be for sale at 6 today on my website, ransomnotesneakers.com. Check it out if you want. If you don't want, that's cool too. Next up, got a 7.5 Air Jordan 3. This is the 2016 retro of the Air Jordan 3 True Blue. These are a little bit of paint stuff going on the medial side and on the heel too. I don't know if you see it. These have seen better days, but they're not beat up. I mean, okay, yeah, look at that star loss. It's pretty bad. These are going to be cheap. Might need a sole swap if you're into that thing. Definitely still wearable. They're just someone who had them before loved them lots. So size 7.5. True Blue 3s from 2016. I just woke up, so my mouth is not having a fun time trying to say words. We got some old school Nike boxes. I am definitely going for those. Cool. I love seeing these kind of boxes in beater boxes. It's really fun. Size 13 Air Force One Premium Ronaldinho. Ah. Yep. Cool. These are the Ronaldinho Air Force Ones in a size 13. These are actually dead stock. So it's this all patent. I mean, it's a tip to the Brazilian flag based on the colorway, obviously. And Ronaldinho, you know, one of the best soccer players of all time, or football if you're not from the States. But it's got these like little like tag things, this premium on it. These are really nice. It's a size 13. These are from like the mid 2000s, I think, so they've got some years on them. No discoloration or anything weird. Cool. I don't know what the value is on these. Probably like 100 bucks. It's an Air Force One, so it can't be too valuable. But there you go. Ronaldinho Air Force Ones. Very cool. Size 13. Another Old school Nike box. Love them. Size 13 Air Max Warachi 2K4. It's one of those Kobe things. Yes. So this is, I forget, it's something to do with Mamba or something like that. Air Max Warachi, I think it's a Kobe thing because it's got this black snakeskin print all over it. These are not dead stock, are they? I cannot tell. I think these are dead stock. Yeah, okay, so these are dead stock. They look like they've been laced and tried on, so the actual left shoe is still dead stock. So these are just old. I mean, they're like the mid 2000s, but they are dead stock. It's a size 13. These are Kobe's before Kobe had his own line, I guess you could say. It's from 2006, probably, something like that. Interesting shoe. I mean, it's got max air. See the air unit, no wear on the outsoles. Interesting. I don't really know what to think of these. Yeah, there you go. Air Max Warachi. There's a massive Air Jordan 11 box that I'm getting out of the way. No, it's a Jordan 12, size 10.5. This box is massive. Why is this box so big? Oh, am I stupid? I think this is a PSNY Jordan 12. Yeah, this is the Public School New York collaboration with Jordan brand on an Air Jordan 12. I believe this is the black colorway. This is actually a pretty awesome pair. I'm not a fan of 12s by any means, but these are cool. So they are worn very lightly though. There you go. Gorgeous pair. A little bit of creasing on the toe box. No damage on the upper or anything though. They just need a quick cleanup. Yeah. Comes with original everything. These were going for massive amounts of money at one point in time. I don't know if they still are. I would not be surprised if they're worth a good amount, but a lot of people really like this shoe. Interesting. There you go. Size 10.5, Public School New York Air Jordan 12 in the black colorway. Cool. See, here I go thinking I'm getting a gigantic size 14 Air Jordan 11 cap and gown that I was not pumped about. If y'all saw the last video, the last shoebox from Friday, boxes like that bum me out, man. I can't deal with boxes like that. Two more. Here's another Jordan 11. It's another 72 and 10, and this one is a size 9. I say another 72 and 10 because we got a 72 and 10 in the live unboxing. So these are worn, but very lightly. It's an Air Jordan 11, 72 and 10 to commemorate the year that the Bulls went 72 and 10, and they won the championship. But it's as basic as you can get with a Jordan 10. White midsole. I guess you could say, I don't know what color this would be, but clearish outsole and a black upper. It's got nubuck on the heel. It's got leather on the tongue and on the upper, and the obvious patent leather that's on most Jordan 12 or Jordan 11s anyway. Yeah, these are in great shape. Just a little bit of dirt, not much creasing on the toe box. They just need a quick cleanup. They come with the original paper and everything. I think it's got the original inserts in here too. Yeah, it totally does. There you go, size 9, 72 and 10s. Box and everything is in great shape too. Cool. I'm more pumped about this $850 box than I was on the $1,150 box from last Friday. So we got one more. It's an Air Max 98 Supreme. I kind of figured this was what it was going to be. That's kind of why I saved it for last. In a size 13. These are worn, but man, are they in good shape. This is the collaboration with Supreme on the snakeskin Air Max 98. I have gotten a couple pairs of these recently. This pair is in the best condition of the three that I've gotten. You can see a little bit of outsole wear. Some of the tread is gone from wear, which, you know, happens, but Air Max, any Air Max, like the nipples or like whatever tread on the bottom always wears off real quick, but clean pair overall. It's just a size 13, which is not the greatest size on the secondary market, but these will clean up nicely, and I'm sure some big footer out there will really like these because these are in awesome shape. So there you go. Air Max 98's collaboration with Supreme, one of the 3 colorways they released. That is an $850 Sole Supremacy beater box. I'm a fan. This is a good box. Really easily movable stuff, and there was some fun shoes in here too. But let's take a look at the breakdown and see how much money we can possibly make. Breakdown! Yeah, this is pretty good quality over quantity box. I mean, there's 7 pairs. They all have the original boxes. A couple of them are in dead stock shape. I mean, it's a really good box. Not really much to clean up either, except for those True Blues. So hey, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, ransomnotesneakers.com. You can find all these shoes for sale, unless someone gets to them on GOAT first, which I highly doubt, because they're not going to be on Goat long. So these shoes and the shoes from the live unboxing will be available for sale. Size 11.5 shattered backboard ones and a whole bunch of other stuff. So appreciate you taking the time. Remember to enter the Instagram giveaway that ends on the 14th. You can find all the information down in the video description below. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you're not subscribed and you feel like this is something you'd like to see more of, then subscribe, because this is all I do. Sometimes there's a really cute chihuahua on here too. So, hey, till next time, take care of each other, and remember, make it fun, because shoes are supposed to be fun. Bye-bye.